Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel up a Zippo lighter. First, ensure you are in a well-ventilated area, away from any open flames or heat sources. Always use genuine Zippo brand lighter fluid for the best performance and to maintain your lighter's warranty. This specialized fluid ensures a clean burn and prevents damage to the wick and internal components. Safety is paramount when handling flammable liquids. To begin, carefully remove the inner unit from the lighter's outer metal case. It should slide out easily. Next, gently lift the felt pad located at the bottom of the inner unit. You will notice a small hole in the felt pad. Lifting this pad exposes the cotton-like packing material inside, which is where the lighter fluid will be absorbed. Now, take your Zippo lighter fluid and slowly begin to saturate the packing material. Pour the fluid gradually, allowing it to soak into the cotton. Watch carefully and stop filling when the fluid reaches the top of the packing material, just before it overflows. Overfilling can lead to leaks and potential hazards, so be sure to avoid it. Once filled, replace the felt pad firmly over the packing material. Then, slide the inner unit back into the outer case, ensuring it fits snugly. Wipe away any spilled fluid from the lighter's exterior and your hands with a cloth. Finally, wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the fluid to fully absorb into the wick before attempting to light your Zippo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.